Hi guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you still haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, guys. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, what is serializable, clonable and random access in Java? What is serializable, clonable and random access in Java? Okay, so guys, so these all are interfaces. These all are interfaces, guys. Okay, these all are interfaces in Java, guys. Okay, so the first of all, what is serializable? Okay, so what is serializable interface? So serializable interface is coming from java.io package, guys. It is coming from java.io package, and see it is available from 1.0. Okay, it is available from 1.0, guys. Okay, so JDK 1.0. Okay, since 1.0 it is available, guys. Okay, so what is the use of serializable interface? Serializable interface, so first of all I would like to tell you that serializable interface is the marker interface. It is the marker interface, guys. Okay, marker interface. And serializable classes, what is serializable interface? Classes that do not implement this interface. Classes that do not implement this interface will not have any of their state serialized or deserialized, guys. Okay, serialized or deserialized. So what is meant of this? Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, so we cannot, okay, we cannot transfer object from one location to another, guys. Okay, so in short we can say like this, guys. Okay, so now if we want to transfer the object of any class, if we want to transfer the object of any class, or if we want to transfer the object of any class on stream by using stream. Okay, so then that class must need to implement this serializable interface, guys. Okay, so if any class not implementing this interface, okay, so then we will get a not a serializable exception, guys. Okay, so not a serializable exception will be thrown and will identify the class of the, okay, class of the not non-serializable object. Okay, so non-serializable object, guys. So it means, okay, if we try to transfer, or if we try to serialize the object of any class, then okay, then at runtime we will get not serializable exception, guys. Okay, this is all about serializable interface. Okay, then what is clonable interface? What is clonable interface? Okay, so this interface also coming from java.io package, and since it is available from java 1.0, guys, and it is also marker interface, guys. Okay, so if you are thinking that so clonable interface contains a clone method, so clone method is not coming from clonable interface. Clone method, okay, comes from object class. Okay, so for what is object? So object is the super class for every class in Java. Okay, for every class in Java. Okay, if any class not going to extend any class, okay, so then the super class of that class is the object class, and then from that object class, okay, within that object class there is a clone method. Okay, so clonable interface is the marker interface. It doesn't contain any method. Okay, a class implements the clonable. What is the use of this clonable interface? A class, okay, which implements the clonable interface to indicate to the clone method. Indicate to the clone method. Okay, that is, okay, it gives the suggestion to the clone method of object class method. Object class method, it is a legal for that method to make a copy of instances of that class, guys. Got it? So it means to say, okay, if any class implements clonable interface, then and then we can get the copy of that class. We can get the copy of that class object. Okay, by using clone method, guys. By using clone method. This is all about clone method in Java, guys. Okay. So then what is a random access? What is random access? Okay, so random access, it is interface, okay, from java.util package. What is the package? Java.util package. Cloneable is coming from java.io package. Serializable also coming from java.io package. Okay, it is available from 1.0. It is available from 1.0. But random access interface available from 1.4, and it is a marker interface. Okay, what is the power of this random access interface? Okay, implementation of this interface indicates that they supports random access. Okay, generally constant time. Okay, they supports random. So that is, if we implements random access interface, so it means to say, okay, that class, okay, whichever class will implement this random access interface, okay, so that class will supports random accessing, that is generally constant time. Okay, supports fast random accessing. Okay, runs faster than the loop. So this is all about random access interface. Okay, so now, okay, vector, okay, vector, okay, I released, I released, I released, and stack, vector array list and stack implements, okay, implements, okay, serializable, clonable, and random access interface, guys. Okay, so it means to say vector array list and stack class implements serializable, guys. Okay, serializable, okay, serializable, okay, clonable, and random access. It means to say, okay, these three classes supports random accessing. These three classes supports random accesses. It means to say, okay, these classes, okay, are used to, okay, used to retrieve elements, okay, at random speed. Okay, random accessing. Okay, random accesses supports fast. Okay, these classes are used to retrieve elements, okay, at fast random accessing. Okay, so we can say something like this. Okay, so it means to say whenever our frequent action is, okay, random accessing, so then we can go for these three classes. Okay, so then, okay, then after, okay, if we talk about linked list class, okay, linked list class, okay, linked list class only implements serializable and clonable. Okay, only implements serializable, only implements implement serializable and clonable, guys. Okay, so hence, okay, hence whenever our frequent action, okay, is random accessing, okay, random accessing, so then we will avoid this. Why? Because this class not implements random access interface, guys. Got it? So this is all about serializable, clonable, and random access in Java, guys. Got it, guys? So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and also share it to your friends, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, happy coding. Thank you, guys.